Okay, cordial greeting, tutor. Step 3. Film yourself answering the following question. Some people like to read to relax. Yes, it's true. Science reading a comic magazine or a light novel makes the mind and body relax. Read everything is more beneficial to mind because it improves and exercises the brain. Even in free time is something that successful people often share. Often people like to play sports. Other people like sports because they want to be thin, to be fit, for health, and others like sports because they are born to have fun in the game. What do you like to do in your free time? In my state time, s- mm, I like to go out play micro soccer, basketball, watch TV, read books to change of activity or routine. It is good to wellness and health of my whole body. Okay, thank you very much.